Yeah, radar's going to get a break over the next few days, and so is the humidity. That's coming down along with rain chances. We're now 13 days, almost 2 weeks into August 2024. 2 weeks, by the way, until kids go back to school, at least most of you. And so far this month, 8 days have been at or above average. 5 have been below average. But given these numbers behind me, we are still living through right now the second warmest August on record. We had some rain earlier today, a little bit tonight. Most of that has now moved out, and it will be mostly dry the next couple of days, but not 100% dry. Outside right now, it is dry and 72 degrees as we look live from our Whitley Law Firm weather camera out at the Carter Finley PNC complex. Been kind of quiet out there lately, hasn't it? Canes are off, Wolfpack's off, not a lot of concerts. The Canes, by the way, their first preseason home game is a month and a half away. Can you believe that fast that offseason went? Hockey season, football season, before we know it. Tomorrow morning, it'll be a little bit cooler. 67 is how we'll start. There'll be more sunshine throughout the day tomorrow and less rain. I've only got a few sprinkles possible in the afternoon, as our high temperatures will only top out at 84 degrees. Remember how the month started? Remember where we were last month? 84 looks real good, doesn't it? And speaking of real good, tonight's super sunrise looks real good. Our friend Veronica down near Myrtle Beach earlier this month. This is from Garden City, up early. The sun's coming up these days, by the way, at 6:33. Beautiful shot there. Sunset, sunrises on water are always twice as nice because you get the reflection. I'll put this one on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook page. I can do all the sunsets you send me. I'm at Weather Wes. So this week we have been waiting on this stationary front to no longer be stationary and move south. That's going to happen tomorrow. It's going to get an assist from this high pressure that's going to kind of start to spread down toward the Carolinas. That's one of the things that will help dry us out, bring more sunshine, and lower humidity. But like I said, not 100% dry. Let's fast forward to tomorrow morning when, again, we'll have some sunshine throughout the day. There goes that stationary front, sunny and dry through lunchtime. Northerly flow, we like that because it lowers humidity, but as you can see, a couple ripples in the atmosphere, a little moisture left over, could send us a few light showers. Quickly, it's only 10%, and then we're back to dry by late Wednesday night, and then there's no rain in the forecast Thursday. Sadly, I'll be mowing grass. I don't know if you have that same problem, but I mean, we're all still recovering from all that rain we had from Debbie last week. I mentioned the low humidity. Today, humidity was not low. The temperatures were low, so you probably didn't notice the dew point temperature around 70. Well, the rest of this week, it's going to sneak down just a little before it heads back up this weekend. And if you missed it off the top of the newscast, Tropical Storm Ernesto is a little bit stronger and just northeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico tonight. 65-mile-per-hour winds moving northwest at 17 miles per hour. And the updated forecast tracks still expected to turn it into a hurricane overnight or tomorrow morning before it goes straight north. And now it could be as strong as a Category 3 hurricane Friday night with 115-mile-per-hour winds threatening Bermuda. The only threat here is rough surf and rip currents along our coast. In the meantime, more sunshine and drier weather the next few days. We go from mid-80s tomorrow to upper 80s Thursday and Friday. Humidity's back this weekend with a few small chances of rain. Temperatures remain in the upper 80s, and your exclusive 10-day forecast keeps all of next week in the 80s. And can you believe high school football is next Friday? No high school football weather yet, but we're working on it. And that is a look at your forecast.